Let's learn how to divide the number 51 by 2 using the long division method. To divide that, we need to write the numbers using this way. Consider the first digit 5. We know that 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 1 here. And we know that 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, we get 1. Now again see that this 1 is less than 2, but we have no number to bring down here. That is why in this case we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 51 divided by 2 is equal to 25.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.